Hello everyone and welcome to my video on things you need to know before you start building your email list and starting your email campaigns. This is going to be very quick, short and sweet. So let's keep going. So as I said, let's dive in. Well, my name is 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗪. I am your host, and in this video I'll be talking to you about building your own email list. Now, before we get into that, I make videos like this every single week, about 5 videos a week. So if you have any questions about what you want to learn next, drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe into this video and into this channel, and comment on the description that you subscribed, and I'll try and reply to as many of your comments as possible. And also hit the thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you know and get notified about any of my new updates on videos on internet marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing in general. Aside from that, let's get started. So you want to build your email list. The first thing you want to do is you want to know what is your goal. You want to know what is your objective. And what I mean by that is an email list is going to be a list of emails of people who you can contact and help them in exchange for money. It's the best way to make revenue, to build up a business. It's the best asset you can build. However, there are few things you need to keep in mind. Do you want to build your email list and build a stronger relationship with customers, or do you want to build your email list so you can scale up how many customers you have? Or do you want to build your email list so you can launch a product or an affiliate product? Whatever you want to do, you can really use an email list. However, the approach may be different, a little bit slightly, but most of the things are the same. With that said, the next thing that you want to do is, before you build your email list, is you want to know your customer. You want to know your customer better than they know themselves. And here's why. You're going to be essentially talking to somebody, and you're going to be sending email. For them to open those emails, they have to be relevant. They have to contain content that those people want so that they can actually read and click. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So you need to know 4 things about your dream customer. You need to know what problem they have, what problem you want to help them solve, what question they have, what are they thinking in the middle of the night, what keeps them awake at night, the roadblocks, what's stopping them from getting the result that they want, the life that they want, the help that they want, what's stopping them from doing the things that they love and the results that they want, right? What results are they looking for? Is it getting fit? Is it losing weight? Is it dieting without any side effects? What do they want that you can help them get, right? So now that you know all those, let's get started. So we're going to try and build our email list, right? So in order to build an email list, we need what's called a squeeze page, or it's called a squeeze page, an opt-in, or a landing page. And what this is essentially, it's just a one-page website which says something like this, right? It's going to say something like, hey, download my 5 simple steps email marketing guide, and just put your name and email address here and download. And what this does essentially is you're giving your customers something in exchange for name and email. That's how you're going to get your contact, right? So you're going to be promoting them either from Facebook, YouTube, wherever, but you're telling them, hey, you need help on this? I'm going to give you this good thing for free in exchange for a name and email. Now that's done. To build that squeeze page and to start building up your list, you're going to need a few things. So you're going to need a squeeze page builder, which you're going to be using to build that page. You're going to need the domain name, which is going to be the web address for that page, the squeeze page. You're going to need the domain name email address, which is going to be your email address that you're going to be sending emails to, right? And this has to match the domain name of your landing page, right? And then you're going to need an autoresponder. This is going to be a software, an internet software that allows you to send email to your customers, right? Then you're going to need a lead magnet. This is going to be the thing that you're going to give your dream customer in exchange for name and email. In that case, it was a PDF guide. And then finally, you're going to need the emails to write them out. Now, here's the thing I'm going to tell you. In order to do all those, that may seem like a little bit too much at the beginning, but if you want super simple steps broken down on how to do everything, I have a link in the description. Just go scroll down, and I have a free course on how to do this. I don't know how long I'll keep it free, but if you want to have a look at that, feel free to have a look at that. It's going to show you exactly step by step on how to connect all those things together, including how to write your emails. There's the best way to write emails, and then there's also not so good ways to write emails. That said, let's keep going. So the way all this will work together is imagine you want to promote an affiliate product, right? You have a date that you're going to set, you're going to start promoting the product, or imagine you want to launch your own product. The way this will work is, first of all, we're going to write the email sequences, right? So we're going to write all the email sequences from which we're going to be sending to everyone who comes to our website, and then they put their email in. So the first email is going to be like, so they go to their laptop, phones, they opt in, they grab that PDF. The first email is going to be like, congratulations, thank you so much. Here's your PDF guide. And just so you know, if you want to lose weight faster, we also have this program coming up so that you can lose weight in 2, 3, 4 weeks. I don't know. But the idea is that those emails are going to be introducing you, giving them the PDF, but also introducing them to any product that you want to launch later on. They're also going to be the emails that are going to be sent that are going to promote the product, right? So you're going to write those, and those are written very specific. They're called email sequences. Now that's done. What I really want to tell you about this is the benefits. The benefits of this is you're connecting with your dream customer. And that's the best part of this, is that you're getting really good engagement, right? So they become a much more important part of your business assets as you build up. Now, I know I said a lot and I rambled really fast. I apologize. My recording system will not let me go above 8 minutes. So I'm just going to keep it really short. If you have any questions, comment them below. I will try my best to reply to them, or you can just email them to me at contact@𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗪marketinghelp.com. I'll do my best to reply to those. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. You've been wonderful. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.